Contrary to popular belief, a lot of times the people that we have the most long-standing relationships with are not 100% compatible with us when it comes to synastry and astrology. Now, is this going to become a series? I don't know, because we already have a lot of series going on this channel. But if it does become a series, I think we're going to call it the Odd Pairings series. And today we're going to start with Aries and Cancer, and why this can actually be an epic love story if you have placements like this with the person that you are dating, because this can definitely work. The people that challenge us the most are going to be the people that we stay with long term. Think about it. If you had perfect synastry with somebody astrologically, they'd be your friend, not your lover. So if you're dating somebody that has an Aries sun, Cancer sun, or you guys just have Aries and Cancer placements in your chart somewhere, this is why it can work. Don't let pop astrology fool you. These two actually have quite a few things in common. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is the fact that they both are driven by intuition. Now, a lot of astrology books, for the sake of the length of their books, are shortening things. And so they're going to say that Aries is driven off of instinct and Cancer is driven off of intuition. But if you take instinct and spiritualize it a little bit, then you're going to get intuition. But either way, both of them are going to be driven off of this unseen power to act, because they're both cardinal signs, essentially. Now, intuition and instinct, they are going to be two different things. It's almost like you have two stations on the same radio. Instinct is going to be more grounded in the body, and intuition is more going to be grounded in your aura, your ether. But when it comes down to it, even though they're technically cousins, they look like twins. So you have two different tools, same mission though. Now, both of these signs are going to be cardinal energies, which means they're both born self-starters. Aries is going to have that really like, let's go kind of energy. And Cancer is going to say, but let's make it meaningful. Yes, we can go, but let's make it mean something. The fire of Aries is going to supply the momentum, and the water of Cancer is going to supply the why, or the depth. And together they create some serious steam. Now, here is the thing that I love the most about this pairing. Loyalty? It's maxed out. Now, here's the thing that I love the most about this pairing and why it definitely can work. As far as loyalty goes, these two can actually work really well. The loyalty meter is maxed out, as long as we are talking about these energies at their most mature, of course. Aries defends with action. Cancer defends with intuition, but they both hype each other's bold moves up, and then they kind of debrief over their own kind of comforts, possibly even comfort food, but either way, what we see is that courage meets care, not cliches. The bottom line is that when you put passion together with intuition, it becomes a powerhouse pairing. And it might really surprise the pop astro skeptics, but the chemistry there is real. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, because we already have a lot of series going on this channel. But if you would like to see more of these kinds of videos that are like, wait, they work, astro matchups, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Hit follow if you want to see more of my videos in general. Other than that, you can head on over to EdenIAstro.com to book any consultations with me, and I will see you guys for the lunar lowdown tomorrow. The moon, I was about to say the sun. The moon moves into Pisces tomorrow, and we actually see the sun moving into the sign of Gemini very soon, and so we'll talk all about that. But other than that, that is all I have for you guys today.